Yes.
Hey.
We're here. I'm excited. So we're about to...
Gonna dock. We'll have to unload all the luggage right here. And
Go through
then
security
after,
checkpoint.
yeah.
Oh.
And after they'll bring it up to our room.
Yeah.
Through security, and we're walking to check in right now.
Yay! Oh, God. Everyone's been incredibly nice, making jokes. I don't know, it's pretty funny. Someone was like, "Oh, are you guys?" No, they were like, "Oh, are you guys part of celebrities?" And then, or something. Are you guys celebrity? I'm like, "No, we're princess." And she's like, "Oh, I could have guessed both."
Got our medallions.
We got up to the concourse.
And then from here, so we're good. We don't need any more paperwork. Huh? You ready? Dude, security was a breeze.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I could have heard it.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
They didn't force you to do anything.
They're super lax here.
It wasn't like...
There's no line or anything.
Yeah, it wasn't even like being on the plane.
Yeah.
If you had one choice, a yacht, a jet, or an island, which one would you want? I would do yacht. I think I would jet.
Jet?
Yeah. The island's pretty fucking dull.
Actually,
might be more expensive,
I don't know, man.
You're stuck in one island.
Yeah.
You're stuck in one.
I think I would do yacht too.
Really? I would totally do jet too. That's a good question. I like it.
These rafts look way better than the ones on Titanic.
This is the key to the city, basically.
Is it? The key to the city?
No video recording, sir.
Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. It's harder to see Hold on, let me...
Alright, we're gonna show you what the room looks like. It's pretty nice, actually.
Oh, it's really nice. It's like pretty sleek.
Dude, okay, first of all,
Really modern.
floor to almost ceiling windows, nice. And then to our right, we have the restroom. This is pretty important for some people like me, but good mirror, shelves, comes with hand soap, lotion, towels, and this is the size of the shower. Probably. I don't know why I said probably. Anyway, life jackets. Good amount of hangers. Got the safety deposit box, or safe box. And then here is the room. This looks like a queen bed. And then in front of you have the TV and some desk space. Not bad.
Yeah, they actually let us bring in all this water and soda right here.
Oh yeah. Wow. Arrowhead sucks, by the way, but thank you. Oop. Also forgot.
Oh, nice.
Nice and cool.
Oh,
so you
perfect.
can store your drinky drinks.
First shot.
I'm really scared.
Hi, this is my first shot.
It's okay, we can edit that. Yum. Kapow!
Okay.
Hi, my name is Tatsada, and this is my first shot.
Ugh.
Hi, my name is Michael, and this is my first shot.
It's a big ass shot. Oh, it just died.
Hi, my name is Juliet, and this is my first shot.
Ahoy,
wait.
ahoy!
What the hell so much?
You don't
Okay, do again.
Do the whole thing.
Oh my goodness, she did the whole
Ugh.
That's your two.
They're all that. It's like,
Looks like we made it.
what were you thinking?
Look how far we come, my baby. Is this my channel?
Yeah.
Just taking over. Hi. Welcome back, guys. Make sure you hit the like, the subscribe button, and don't forget your notification
I'll take one more.
so you don't miss out on the good
One more
content.
roll, you're good.
If I win tonight, I'm gonna buy you guys all coin purses. Okay, coin purses. Yeah.
It's very elegant.
So here's the menu for Gigi's Pizzeria, which we've heard a lot of good things about. about. If you have the Plus package, these are what you can order. Premier, then we have beer options. Pretty good selection. And our fantastic maitre d', I don't know, host, manager, assistant?
Manager.
Yes, thank you, Anthony. You can see the dough being made.
Pizza masters at work. Whoa! There you go.
Ooh, all the little pizzas laying out, waiting to be dressed.
Toppings. This first.
So I got one of the appetizers. This is supposed to be parma ham and salami and then some bay shrimp. And then, what did you get? A minestrone soup.
Wow.
Mmm.
Soup.
Really good.
Soupy?
Soupy. How's that minestrone soup? Let me see. Sorry, we almost finished it because we're so hungry.
Good.
It said navy beans, but we got green peas.
Just water and
It's okay,
salt.
I'll let them slide.
Yeah, there's a lot of veggies in it.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Ma'am, the soya milk.
First meal of the day.
Soy milk.
Let's see. This is
looks
the
amazing.
anchovies.
Princess
Yeah,
pizza.
go ahead, yeah. You can just put it down.
Thank you.
This is the what? Princess
pizza.
And I got a pepperoni with a little extra basil. Thank you. And then what is this? Why does it look like margarita?
It is a margarita.
Oh,
I think she got it wrong.
So Michael actually ordered the Tarantino pizza, which comes with mussels and shrimp and some seafood, but they actually gave a margarita instead, which is
Good.
ooh, look at this. Do you see the cheese pull? Okay.
I should save my tummy for this.
Oh, you ate already?
Oh no, like last week I had
Oh, that was so good. Or maybe I'm just super hungry.
You'll be super hungry too. Oops, sorry.
That's a lot of cheese around. Fucking good. Highly recommend.
You don't see much on there, but it's actually very good.
Wrong.
The crust is nice and thin. Do you get the
Very
anchovies?
cheesy. Yeah, try.
It's really hot. Careful, guys.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Oh, you ate it already? It says really good.
Anchovies, if you like that
know.
umami saltiness in your face.
Little umami bomb. Okay, I'm gonna try it too.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed the olive.
The olive, the best part.
Oh shoot. Ooh, the saltiness from the olive. Mmm. There's also capers in it too.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get back to it.
We're gonna eat this for the drink tonight.
Okay. So what they did was the original pizza, and they just added the seafood toppings, which they actually just forgot to top it off with.
Tommy had to tell.
Here's a collection of our crusts. We are done with our meal. Does anybody else like this?
Thank you. This actually looks good. I don't know.
Go ahead, thank you. Legit. Yeah? Ooh, here's
Legit.
the
5 out of 5 star.
The apple tart.
You gotta get
Put some cream on it.
Get it all layers.
I think it's looks like condensed milk. Honestly.
You like?
Oh, the plate's even warm.
good. This is the milk.
It's good.
This is all you need.
That's why they don't have milk.
Oh, really good.
They had to use
I'm not a huge fan of warm fruit,
It's really
but
flaky, the crust. There's condensed milk, which is amazing.
I
okay.
don't know
A
how
little
they
bit of
put it
cream.
in there, but there's a fridge.
To take away,
Hey, this is-
it doesn't taste very tarty.
It's like homemade cream.
It's really good. Here.
Oh my god.
Nobody eats that way.
This is really good though. You should try this.
It's so good.
Here's the tiramisu. It comes in a little cup.
I think tiramisu. This was very You gotta get all the layers.
No, I did. There's lady fingers in there. Coffee. The coffee taste is not too strong either. Freaking cute. Look at the ladies dancing. Oh no, the music just ended. Careful.
wedding night, baby. Let's go down together.
Probably gonna be my favorite place on the whole boat, the Princess Casino. It's not open right now because we haven't left the port, but let's take a look around to see what we have.
Look at all these machines you can win from.
Yeah, right.
Wheel of Fortune.
Oh my god,
Definitely a lot of slots, and they all seem pretty up to date. None of the old style.
Let me win, please.
Have a couple of roulette tables. Ooh, a Wheel of Fortune. Looks like you can win $50, $40, up to $250. Got 3-card poker, blackjack. 1, 2, 4, 5, probably about 5, 6 blackjack tables, and the rest are like 3-card poker and other kind. Ooh, they also have scratchers. What? Supposedly, if you buy the higher price scratchers, you have a more chance of winning, better chance of winning. But not bad, not bad.
Do they have buffalo? Let's look at buffalo.
Oh, ATM in case you're a degenerate and you need to clean out your bank account.
They have buffalo.
Oh,
They have buffalo.
Buffalo.
Ooh, last person cashed out 162 here. This one cashed out 65. People kind of, are these, you think this one won? Probably not.
Oh, 134.
134? Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Oh man, they also have a lottery system, or is this bingo? Oh yeah, lottery. There's a $430,000 jackpot.
Costco.
Shipping.
You think they have pizza on there too?
It's so weird.
Oh, they have rotisserie chicken, all those containers.
They're moving, but then it feels like we're moving. We're not really sure either because we're on the water.
This just feels like my life.
That's kind of trippy.
Wait, this is how did they do the Titanic dance again?
Okay.
They go like this?
No, they don't go. I think it's like this.
Oh wow, yeah, that's really good.
Okay, other way. I think it is. I feel like. Ha! And Kazar! I think that's the wrong show.
Wow.
So pretty. One of my favorite things to do on a vacation is drink coffee. It's a little treat for myself because I don't want to get addicted, so I try not to drink too much when I'm back at home. Feels hot.
But meth is okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, I need sugar a little bit. Really?
I think all the younger people are there.
Imagine I wasn't recording this whole time.
I know. No, it is popping out here.
Yeah, right?
There are like a lot of different age groups. Pretty cool.
Just keep walking.
Very appetizing. And it looks clean, you know?
It looks pretty good. It's brand new boat, 2022.
Oh, look at this. Oh, goodness, give me some coffee. I'm thinking about pumping right now. I can literally pick her up on my back and jump in there right now.
Do it. Take it off. This is Battleship Iowa. Get it. This is what happens when you give her all you can eat ice cream.
Oh my god.
That's a weird eating ice cream.
That sensitive teeth.
Do you get like a good side of us?
No, this is our good side, babe.
There is no good side in eating two poopy looking ice cream.
Don't you eat it like this?
It looks like poop emoji. Let's make it sexual. No,
Don't do that.
2 girls, 1 cone.
No, oh my god.
Let's start 2 girls, 3 cones.
Okay, let's switch now. Mmm. Get the chocolate all over your lips too. This is so PG.
I can't.
Alright guys.
You're gonna be all shaky. Okay, so we brought wine bottles that had not wine in it. Eee! Oh, where did I put it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yes.
But the tricky one is actually the one that's in Michael's luggage because
it looks like
the top was sealed super janky. See, this one's okay, but let's take a look. Hold on. All right, it's a moment of truth.
Oh, it's right here.
No way.
How?
Oh my god. Okay.
She said this was janky.
Look at how janky it is. Let me show you in the light. Okay, cool. But look at... Can you see? But yay!
We got it.
Awesome. Okay, what do we... almost forget.
So I forgot. So check out this shampoo and conditioner. Can you see what brand it is? Oh, never mind. It's fucking filled with vodka. Yes.
They were young and had a shot. Who would ask for more at the coast bar? What worked at that one? But that was 30 years ago when they used to have a show. But the disco, but not for long. You find and drinks herself hot wine. She wants to use and she wants to. You're as sweet, strong like wine. And you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on.
Oh no, go ahead.
Got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me. So deep in my heart that you're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin.
Nice.
Show us your dance move.
And each time that you just stop, you make me stop before I begin. 'Cause I've got you under my skin.
Wow. Amazing.
Okay, welcome to the
I had to make up for it with singing.
Bye bye.
Great, bro. Oh my god, I'm like,
So proud of you today. And I'm super proud of you too.
Yeah.
we did it.
Very awesome.